Welcome to IIJS Virtual Second Edition powered by GIA. We have two very progressive jewelers with us from Gujarat and Maharashtra. We have Mr. Minesh Haji Seth from Baroda, Sri Radhe Diamonds, and Vastupal Ranka from Ranka Jewelers, Pune. Welcome to both of you and Happy New Year. Minesh, we'll start with you. You know, you're in Baroda. How has the season been after the pandemic for you? And how was the experience of IIJS Virtual for you in October?
Pandemic has been a learning process. There are many things which we have implemented in the benefit of our clients. So we have also introduced a zero contact kind of service wherein we first send digital images and videos to our clients for the selection. So it has become really easier for them, a faster process. However, this is also a learning, and I think it really pays off because it saves a lot of time, a lot of efforts of clients coming down to the facility. However, post they select it, we send it across to them, and they can select. They can try the jewelry at the comfort of their home. So that is, it has opened new doors of the services for us. So that is the answer for your first question. IIJS Virtual has always been inspiring. It has always opened new doors for sourcing as far as understanding new trends in the market, and IIJS Virtual has lived up to the expectations. We first were worried that will we be able to get what we always get from IIJS Virtual, but yes, it was a great experience, and we are looking forward for this 8th of January as well.
Vastupal, how has been for you the experience after the pandemic at retail, after the opening up of the showrooms, and are you seeing any new trends or anything after the opening and now the season is going? We are in the last quarter of this financial year.
First of all, I would like to thank the retail jeweler who's been so proactive and to getting all the jewelry fraternity together, the manufacturers and the retailers. So we are constantly updated with the current trends, the government policies, and a lot of things happening. So you people have really put us on our toes. Seeing our peers, we getting to learn from our peers where we have to update, and seeing the business after the lockdown has opened, the business it's picked up really good. So what we did was, getting back to our basics, giving the best customer service what we can, looking at customer needs and sticking to our promise. So as the lockdown opened, there was, we had that curiosity of customers would come to sell, though a lot of people came to sell their jewelry also. So we stuck with whatever we've been promising them, and we gave them the right price. So this is how we instill their confidence. So post lockdown, during November, December, the marriage season was phenomenal well. And we look amazing season ahead also, the same going on.
First of all, I'd like to second Mr. Vastupal on what he said about retail jeweler. So keep inspiring and keep supporting the industry. You guys are doing a great job. Thank you so much once again for that. Yes, the next 6 months, probably, the shift in the trends, the shift in the requirements of the clients have, so the regular, what we get from the clients is a regular feedback on the, that change of choices, the change of tastes. So what we have anticipated is that, yes, volumes are there, but, the overall range of a product, which has the choice of the clients have really shifted to, a minimalistic approach, a kind of a minimalistic approach. So if, as for example, if a client buys jewelry worth of 10 lakhs in one particular sitting or one particular visit, and it can be one or two items, but now they are looking at probably 5 to 6 items in the same budget. All the manufacturers will agree to one particular point is that, as the metal prices are growing and as there's a shift in the choice of the client and the requirements of the client, ultimately, the retailers ultimately depend upon the manufacturers, and the manufacturers will have to, accept the shift in the trend.
So, Vastupal, what do you think is the next 6 months going to be like? Are you seeing any new trend, any new category? Like you said, it has been a fabulous first half.
We see the gold pricing as they are rising. So it's been a very positive sign for our industry. And I personally believe as a jeweler, we should be the brand ambassadors. So whenever a customer comes to us, we try to educate them why to buy jewelry, why to buy gold. You see the graph going up. So this is one way where we help them, help to increase our sales. So, and as I see the market, the customers have been divided into three categories. One is the upper category. Upper category, there's not a budget issue. They are buying what they were buying previously. They want the heavy, chunky jewelry, the big value diamond sets. They're still buying. And now, since the marriage expenses, other expenses have gone down, they are getting more into jewelry. I see their budgets going up by 20, 25%, 30%.
It is going to grow. It is going to grow better. And we are going to see phenomenal times ahead.
Vastupal, what is your final suggestion or friendly note to all the jewelers who are going to watch this broadcast?
Be progressive and try to innovate with all aspects. Let it be trends, your technology, your marketing, and see that you get something new every time when you approach your customer.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Have a great 2021 and see you at the IHS virtual platform. Okay. Namaskar.
Thank you so much.